Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech I Sourav. I am Sourav Dutta and today in this video I am going to show you how to fix bootable USB not showing in boot menu in Lenovo laptop. Whenever I try to boot my Lenovo ThinkPad laptop using a pen drive, the pen drive is not being detected. This can only be fixed by going into the BIOS setup. So follow my all steps, don't skip the video. First, in this state, go to the app menu bar by pressing the tab button. Then go to setup and press the enter button. As soon as you press the enter button, the BIOS setup will appear. You can also access the BIOS setup by pressing F1 and F2 button. After the BIOS setup appears, go to the startup menu bar. After entering the BIOS startup screen, you will see the boot option. Go to the boot option and press the enter button. You can see that the excluded from boot priority order option from the USB HDD is present here, while everything else is above in the boot priority list. The USB HDD needs to be moved from the excluded boot priority list to the boot priority list. You can easily move the USB drive option to the top of the boot priority list by pressing Shift+1 button. After making the changes, press F10 to save the BIOS settings. As soon as the BIOS settings are saved, the laptop will restart it. I will check if the USB drive is showing in the BIOS menu. To do this, press F12 and as soon as computer restart to enter the BIOS menu. Now check if the USB drive showing in BIOS menu. It is showing for me and I hope it will show for you too. Now you can easily boot your laptop using a USB drive. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubt related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.